Wow. Okay, but here I am. A bit of a mess, but I'm here. Okay, we're good to go. We sure about that? Power's gonna hopefully stay on now. Honestly. Okay, but here we go. Right, here we go. Sorry guys, sorry I am so late. I feel like I've missed some such good things. Man. Oh. Hold that wrong. Hi live? Oh my gosh. South Africa is a bit of a pain in the ass, for lack of a better word. My electricity's been out. That's what happened this morning. I was streaming, everything was good, and then the power just cut out. It literally turned on, what, like 10 minutes ago, and then I was like, run, go, 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 go. Here I am. But yeah, the joys of South Africa. Oh, interesting. Thanks, Fishing Wicks. And Chef Trades, hi, how you doing? Okay. But yeah, that was fun. Oh, thank you. Right, let's have a good one. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, it looked like I missed some cool things. Unfortunately. Oh, I thought there was something happening at 2:30, but it looks like nothing crazy happened, right? Hi Life, did you get any more trades in? What happened? How was the rest of the session that I then missed? Super bummed that I missed it, but it's fine. Huh. Okay, now that the power is back on. Oh, flip. Fishing Wicks. 2:30 New York time, yeah. Oh, wait. Never mind. Got it. Thank you. Thanks, Fishing Wicks. Ooh, okay. Nice high life. Nice. Let's see what happens. Okay, now we got liquidity piled up. Clearly I called this wanting to go for the equal highs wrong earlier. Oops. Oh well, I guess that is the thing with news days. It can do whatever it wants. Sometimes you have no control over it. But let's see. A Knox. Basically, I don't think it was load shedding, but power has been out. Yeah, power has literally, it came back on 10 minutes ago. It's been out the whole day. I was convinced that I actually just wasn't going to end up trading today or anything. But here we are. So luckily, it came back on just in time. So I'm back. Hey Deadwolf, how's it going? How was the morning? Did you guys get any trades in? Chef Trader, no trades here either. Cool. Hey Dark Angel, how are you? Okay. Do we think there's actually going to be any decent trades? I think maybe that's the better question. Oh right, Dad, you did say you were gonna go have a nap. Was it a good nap? I'm kind of jealous. A nap sounds good. Ooh, Ooh, you're having a good time, Dark Angel? That's good. Why? What are you doing? Are you guys just having a good time on Discord? Ooh. Oh no. Hey Bob, how you doing? Yeah, Chef Trades. Yo, I was a super grumpy goose, but it's fine. It is what it is. Bob, how's it looking for you? Anything decent yet? I am not loving how different these charts are. At all. So let's see, I'm probably gonna wait for it to make up its mind about what it wants to do. What was your forecast, Dark Angel? I feel like I missed some good stuff. What happened? Oh wait, was that a very sarcastic I'm having a good time? Got it. Got it. Sorry. Okay, cool. So we're all waiting now. Ooh, okay, High Life. You think it might just keep going up now? I mean, there's this that it's now created these two equal highs, which is pretty juicy. Yeah, guys, so in future, if I randomly just disappear in the middle of a stream without saying goodbye, it's power or load shedding, or you can pick one, but yeah, most of the time it's that. Boom Banana, I don't know if it was load shedding. I don't think it was load shedding. Basically, no power. The power just cut out this morning, and it literally, oh my gosh. Okay, it literally only came back on 2 minutes ago. 474. Ooh, that's a nice entry. I mean, it might still come back down. Get a hamster to run on a wheel. Sure. That's a great plan. Could get Perry to run on a wheel. He might not like me very much, but he could do it. Yeah, that's valid, High Life. Who knows, right? Ooh, okay, Dark Angel. I don't know if I should then try and jump on this upward train. Oh, but my stop loss is right by Dark Angel's entry. That's not great. 2 minute, 3 minute. Ooh, I like the 5 minute. I do like how the 5 minute looks. It's just super volatile right now. I'm gonna wait and see what comes of this. Wait for a proper confirmation of structure. And I'm going to keep this open for curiosity. Bob, are you short at 500? Okay, okay. Nice, nice. High life, that's valid. There is at least volume today. You're targeting the London lows that are right here. Okay, so you think it's going to go all the way down to the London lows. Let's see now. Let us see. I'm super curious. I'm super bummed that I missed the rest of this morning, but at least I made it for this afternoon. And like I said, I was completely convinced that I was just done for. It was just going to be a no trade day. I thought maybe it was just the universe's way of telling me I shouldn't be trading before FOMC, but here we are. However, I am going to be away, okay? I'm not going to make silly trades if I don't feel comfortable. Hey Jose, how you doing? Little bounce off a VWAP there. Hey Apple Butter, how are you? How's it going? Let's see. Bob? Okay, wait, no, actually Bob, don't tell me where your TP is. You just say whoop whoop and I'll know. Oh, Apple Butter, you know, I can't complain. I think I was a bit of a stress pot this morning because of the electricity and but now I'm good. Now I'm chilled. Now I can't complain. The 4 hour is bearish. Okay. Damn, Jose, that's it. One and done. Sorted for the day. Nice. I can't relate. Hey, Presidian, how you doing? Thanks, Boom. Thanks for rubbing it in. Dark Angel's in. Dark Angel's in. Okay, let's see how this goes. Dark Angel's in this. Yeah, Apple Butter, it did. The fun of living in South Africa, sometimes power just goes, okay, bye. So literally in the middle of streaming this morning, it just turned off and it only came back on at like just after 3:30 my time. But yes, when it came on, oh my gosh, did I sprint here to start streaming? So let's see if we get anything good. I think that's also why I'm kind of taking a little bit of a breath. I'm letting myself calm down. I think the adrenaline of go, 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 go hit me. Because this would have been a loss. So I'm glad I listened to myself. Presidian, a little bit tired, but otherwise fine. That's okay. Hey, only true trader. Don't worry, I was also late today. To be fair, it was not my fault I'm late. The power was not on, but I was still late. But I'm here, right? I'm here and I'm ready to do this. Really, Jose? Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. Get a hamster on a wheel to power my lights. But Banana, where do you get your wisdom from? Haroon, yeah. Just, do you know... Oh, well done, Boom. Do you know how expensive those are here? Because they are so sought after. And do you know how expensive petrol is here? So to keep one going is just a nightmare. And touch wood. Touch wood. The power's not out enough anymore that it's such an issue. During proper load shedding, I think everyone got generators, but let's see. No, Dark Angel, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Boom, Whoop whoop. Well done. Nice win. Huh. That would have been a win. Interesting. So do we think it's gonna keep going down now? Oh, to fill that gap. Maybe. Sorry, am I yelling? I feel like I'm yelling. If I'm yelling, I'm sorry. I'm pulling a boom banana and I'm talking in caps lock. Oh, do you guys know what I have not done? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not ignoring anyone. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't open my multi-chats. If someone has been trying to chat to me, I'm so sorry. I think in the rush, I forgot to open it. Sorry. Looks like a sweep looking for bounce back up. Hey, Jeff. How you doing, by the way? Apple butter not yelling. Thank you. Thank you for that. Now that it did take those two major liquidities, yeah, I'm gonna see if there is a retracement. There might be a bigger one, which might knock me out of this. Presidian me? No, I haven't even placed a trade yet today, which is such a bummer. There we go, guys. Okay. Guys, I'm here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm back. Nox, I can see you now. I apologize. I didn't open my multi-chat like an absolute chop. I think I was just sprinting into getting my stream open. I'm so sorry. But I am here. It's Wednesday. Right? It is Wednesday. Okay, it's Wednesday. Presidian, you had me questioning everything. Hey Robert, how you doing? Yeah, it's hump day. Wednesday hump day, let's do this. Okay, now that apparently my brain has found a brain cell again, I hope. Let's see. Let's see. I'm assuming I've found my brain cells. What do we think about this short? VWAP for protection. Let's have a quick little gander here, shall we? Okay. Sure. Okay. A little bit of a higher risk, this one. However, okay, let me just set it up. Let's set it up, then let's have a look. Presidian, I get it, don't worry. Robert, I'm good, I'm good. I'm so sorry for not responding to you guys earlier. That's on me. I apologize. Okay, so we have established it's now Wednesday. We're good. We're good. We're good. The bulls might have a tough day. Try it around 500. Ooh, well, let's see. Gonna have a quick look here. Okay. That's it. Okay. The 5 minute looks fantastic. This looks good. This looks good, guys. Or does it look good? Well, let's wait and see. Yeah, let's wait and see. Dark Angel, are you done for the day then? Jeff, you went long on NQ. Okay, where's your TP at? Oh, Bob, whoop whoop, that's amazing. That's a really flipping good trade. Well done. You think so, Knight? You're making me a little bit nervous. Was that like it's one big move and now it's just gonna keep chopping about? Knight, how was the rest of the morning, by the way? It looked pretty decent. I'm kind of bummed that my power went out, but it is what it is. Vishal, yes. Discord is in the happenings. I'm sorting it out because I'm only going to allow 50 people on, or else it might become chaotic. For lack of a better word, it will just become chaotic, but it'll be so cool to have a Discord community, so I'm really excited. Oh, okay. Hey, Perfect Play, how you doing? Presidian, the jump is coming. Ooh, Jeff. Oh no. Okay, so we're going against each other here, Jeff, just a little bit. Ooh, whoop whoop, Mango, that's amazing. Damn, Boom. Over here, in that caps lock yelling at me. Gosh. Let's see if you're quick enough. Haroon, am I in a sell yet? No. It did not come and get me. It's chopping a little bit, which was scaring me a bit, but let's see what happens, right? Vishal? Whoop whoop, amazing. Jose, so I want to start doing giveaways. I'm gonna start small, like with potentially a trading audiobook, and do some giveaways on that, and have some options of different audiobooks. What do you think? Do you think it'll be cool? Yes, no, maybe? Oh, you need that private invite. Okay. Okay. Not needy at all. Could this be a bearish flag? I'm hoping. Or now that it's taken, all the liquidity is gonna come up and screw me. This feels like a bit of a risky trade. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna just mitigate the loss even more. Basically halving what I normally risk. Come on. Is everything just being slow today, apparently? Anyways, I'm gonna halve what I normally risk so that if it is a loss, it's not the end of the world, right? Ooh, nice, perfect play. Okay. High life. You just want, yes, you want to see all the cutie patooties. That's what you want to see. The little flip ball and the horse. Guys, my horse jumped today. Okay, sorry. That's a long story. Knight, you don't like this price action. You're out of your trade. Yeah. Jose. Oh, cool. Okay. So you think that'll be cool? I think it's a really cool idea. I mean, those audiobooks are so valuable. They are. They have a lot of value to them. You can manage population, don't worry. Highlight how? Super curious. Oh, sorry, Knight. Oh no! Robert Dickon. ES is sitting at a huge support. Do you think it's going to break down through it though? Or do you think this is going to be the shift back up? I mean, I'm not loving what ES has done, where ES literally came all the way down, all the way back up, and now all the way back down. This is what it did last week, Monday and Tuesday on NQ, that made me start doubting everything. So that's not great. It's not a great sign, is it? Boom Banana, you think it's about to drop? Do you think it's gonna get me in before it does? Yes, no, maybe? That'd be great. And Chef Trade, do you think it might just chop around here? Most likely. Probably. Aw, thanks, High Life. Yeah, you could be a moderator. I can't make Boom a moderator, unfortunately. He's too sassy. He'll just kick everyone out. Perfect play, yeah. Amit, thank you for the sub. Much love. That's awesome. Thank you. Boom Banana. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Ooh, Knight. Let's see what happens. Presidian, you think it might stop me out? Ooh, Bob, I'm low-key wanting to do that, but what I did do instead, because this does feel like a bit of a risky trade, yeah, so what I've done is I basically halved what I normally would. Give myself room as a that's... I butchered English. What I normally have for my amount for stop... That's not English either, is it? You guys know what I mean, right? Normally... There we go, my risk. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Normally my risk is around 200. I've now put it down to like 138. Yeah, it's at 138. So I've basically halved my risk. So, you know, if it does just come in completely screw me, it's not the end of the world, because I did mitigate that risk quite a bit. It's because you're a banana. Yeah. Yeah. I don't like bananas. No, I'm joking. Bananas are really yummy. I can't complain. The diva. Deadpool? Being all tempting. Oh my gosh. That was wild to read. High Life, you have a point, right? Hey, Nelio. Maybe. Oh my gosh. Boom Banana's over here coming with demands today. Wow, okay. Boom Banana just wants place to stream, apparently. There we go. Free sauce. Free chocolate sauce. For your, what's it called? Banana split. Okay. Bananas with hot chocolate and vanilla ice cream. That's interesting, Presidian. I've never tried that. What I have tried, like a banana peanut butter milkshake. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Okay, well there we go. We will have Boom Banana as guest streamer in my Discord. Sounds about right. I'm sorry, Boom. Were you not wrong the other day? Just saying, just out of curiosity, you know, asking for a friend. Presidian, I should get a boyfriend. Okay, don't beat around the bush there, damn. Why should I get a boyfriend? Hey, Casimir? I have no idea. I don't have an opinion on that. Maybe ask chat, guys? Any thoughts on if you should invest on XRP? Boom Banana, how did you know? Like I said, part of me wants to adopt a kitten, but I can't. Oh, okay, there we go. Hey, Fish Cat Zombie, how you doing? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So apparently XRP is good. Apple butter, maybe get a lizard. Explain. Perfect play? I need you to explain that as well. Now I'm curious. I can't believe that just missed getting me in. But let's see, it might still come back up and get me. I'm being very hopeful here. But let's see. Hey, Fish Cat Zombie. Good question. We're talking about a lot. But not much in the same breath. To be fair, Apple Butter, I technically have a bunch of geckos. I mean, they're wild and they run around the house and they give me heart attacks 90% of the flipping time. I'll literally open a curtain and a gecko will just kind of fall and I want to say I scream. I don't really scream, I just kind of ooh, and then I carry on with my day because I wasn't expecting a gecko to kind of fly out at me, but you know, the joys of living in South Africa. Oh, night, that's interesting. You're right. Accumulation, manipulation, and now... Oh, is it just still chopping away at my will to live? Just kidding. That got very dark, but... Like I said, I do like this trade. I just do not know if it's gonna come up to get me. This kind of also looks decent, but I'm a little bit too late with it. I'm also not liking that it's directly in the chop. It's not worth it for me. This one, at least, it has to go pretty much out of its way. So let's see. Try get in at 469 and have a stop at 480. Boom. I don't think I've ever asked you this before. How many contracts do you normally put into these for you to be getting? Because that's not how big your usual trades are they? No. Sorry, that was very direct. You don't have to answer that if you don't want to. Sorry, that was very like, tell me all your secrets, but... I mean, 15-point candles aren't terrible. They aren't bad. I'm comparing them to everything else, and everything else is huge. That's true, no. Nox, are you learning? Yeah. I just really liked how this looked on the 5-minute. I mean, I got this fair value gap, this order block, I mean technically that whole thing, but the body of the order block, and VWAP as whatchamacallits. Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. As confluences, but it just didn't go high enough to get me in. That feels very rude. Oh well. Like I said, on the 5-minute it looks fantastic, but it does appear to just slowly be going down, down, down. Hey, that's the trade I was looking at just now. But it's just shopping. Jeff, you're surprised NQ has not really moved up or down, right? Sorry. Really? You think so, Bob? You think it's just gonna do this the whole time? It's a bummer. Sorry, how was Boom Banana right? You said enter at 460 whatnots. I forgot what it was, 46 something. And exit at 480. If I'd done that, I would have been tagged out by now. Just saying. Just saying. Bob, 425. What about 425? What, do you think it's going to go that far down? Interesting. Thanks, Deadwolf. Yep. Parking lot Valentine, you want to invest 5k in? Knight, good question, guys. Who's long and who's short right now? Out of curiosity. I'm uber duper grumpy that it didn't come and tag me in because this looks like it could have been really decent. Part of me is also regretting not taking that trade. However, I was sticking to my rules, so I can't be upset about that. Do not let FOMO win, right? Do not let FOMO win. I just have to keep reminding myself. Hey, thank you, Boom. I was like, what? Ooh, interesting, Bob. Okay, you have a valid point. Yeah. The DAC is a diva, so. Chef trades, yeah, and those freaks me out a little bit when it does that. It's hit a proper resistance level on ES. Dianu? You heard that ICT is a fraud? Listen, everyone has their own opinions about that. Oh, guys, if it had just gone up a little bit more, that would have been a win. Man, okay, well. What a pity. I'm still not hating it, but it's just, it's gone too far. Oh well. Now it's whether this is a good idea or not. I hate news days. I hate news days. They are so frustrating. Ooh, okay, Bob. We're hoping for 41750 for debt wolf. Okay, I mean, it's headed that way. Just flipping slowly, but it's headed that way. Debt wolf, I think you got this, my man. Apple butter, I'm sorry, but to be fair, it always does that, right? When you are convinced it's gonna do something, it goes, nah, not today. And then on days where you're like, I'm not too sure, it goes and does exactly what you thought might not do. Jeff, you're long on everything. Nice. Chef trades, yeah. I mean, here we have something semi-decent for now. Let's see. ES is not moving though at all. Sorry, apple butter. Ooh, Banana was giving me free sauce. I'm sorry. Gosh. Cleopas, hi. How you doing? Oh, apple butter, you have a point there. So only true trader, like I said, I don't personally have an opinion on it. I am very much for everyone finds a strategy that works for them and that's it, right? End of discussion. If it works for you, awesome. If it makes sense to you and you are profitable using that strategy, cool. But apple butter, yeah, the second people start saying 100% guaranteed and things like that, I start to go, no. That's a lie, because I don't think anything is 100% guaranteed when it comes to the markets. Oh, sorry, Knight. Oh, Banana, where's your TP at? Diamante, hey, how you doing? Oh, valid, Diamante. So you're gonna wait until then? At 400. Okay. Why do you say that, Knight? Oh, that's interesting, only true trader. Okay, so you guys are just waiting until after the news, which is valid. But it's so late for me then. Guys, I'm gonna be like asleep. Jeff, no, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Bob? 417, wait, I need to make a mark here for debt. 417, 417, 417, 417. Let's go. I feel like I need to hop on. Oh, I'm gonna be too late though. Aw, man. Let's see. I will join debt. Hell no, what am I doing? I'm a little nervous. Okay, well, I'm in it. I don't know if that was a mistake or not. That was probably FOMO kicking in, which is very bad. Very bad. But I'm here with you guys. Yay! Let's see if this works. Ooh, Fish Cat Zombie, you've just gone full time. That's amazing. Sorry, I'm a little bit late on the comments. I was busy getting FOMO. Anyways, moving on. Fish Cats, you also use IC. I mean, that's why I don't say I trade exclusively ICT, because I don't. It's not like I follow it to the letter, because like you said, only true traders. I think it's a lot of information and you can get a little bit overwhelmed. But I mean, you see, I use the fair value gaps, I use order blocks, I use a bunch that is to do with ICT. Hey Keys, how are you doing? Sorry, I'm only responding now. I'm going back through everything. Ooh, nice. Okay, so 400 is fair value gap on a daily candle. Thank you. Thank you. And you are seconded by Robert. Amazing. Cool. So that is cool. So now 400 is a good key point to make a note of. Boom, you said yours was at 430. Oh, damn. Okay. Look at that. Me and Boom are agreeing for a change again. We both have our TPs at 430. Nice. Let's do this. Dead Wolf, thanks. I don't know how to feel about that, but anyways. Corey the phone trader, hey, how you doing? Thank you, thank you. How's it been going? How is the trading? How's the trade? I was like, what are we doing right now? We are trading. How's the trading going? Oh no, go back down. Debt, how you feeling? How's it going? Boom banana, alright, but let's see what happens. Ooh, I'm assuming you guys are doing well, right? To be going full time, right? I'm assuming. Engen? I'm assuming Engen? Neither. I'm trading futures. Okay, well that's break-even level for me. Boom, I know you don't go break-even, but it's definitely break-even level for me. Let's see what happens. 400 zone, 400-ish. Valid. Let's see. But that's exactly it, Chef Trades. 100%. If it works for you, amazing. If it makes sense to you and you can use your own discretion with it, right? Because not everything is 100%. I'm trying so hard to not look. I'm waiting for a beep and I'm waiting for Boom Banana to go crazy. I mean, he's already going crazy, but you know, a little bit more crazy. Then I'll know that it hit. Hey, Chris Witcher, how you doing, my man? Ooh, nice night. Okay, so we are all in this thing together. We're gonna have to start doing some High School Musical stuff. Sorry, that was very lame. I will go put myself in a timeout for that one. That was... Ooh, I looked. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Do not look. Witcher, you think it's going 414? Awesome. That makes Deathwolf super happy. So Deathwolf's TP is at 417. Chef Trends. You're giggling at me because of my very bad dancing and musical skills? Because that's mean. That's exactly it, Laughter. 100%. I'm fixing the market. Oh no, I looked at it again. Don't look. Like I said, I'm waiting for a beep. And when Boom Banana starts going crazy, then I know it's a hit. Ooh, night. Okay, yo, that's a bit scary. Ooh. Let's see, it's close. It might go up a little bit more and then potentially come back down. I'm not loving what it's doing on ES. Oh, Chef Treads, what you laughing at? Hey, Jason the Hole, how you doing? How's it going? Oh, you said beep. I get it. That's rude. It hasn't beeped yet. So I'm waiting for the beep. Nothing yet. Ah, you're right, Bob. We are aiming for 417, guys. So not even where my TP is. Let's all start thinking good thoughts for 417. Okay, 417 is the way to go. Apple butter, right? It's so weird. I'm so used to it being the opposite, where ES is just going nicely, and oh no. Let's see what happens. John, yes I am. I am in a trade right now. A very stressful trade, but I'm in it. Was so close to TP. That was ridiculous. Let's see what happens. It needs to, but will it? Nope, apparently not. Apparently it wants to mock boom a little bit. I know, Kevin, I know. It's at break even, so I'm good. I'm in a short right now. It is a break even now, so it is what it is. That is a bunch of bull though. Get it? Okay, never mind. Pro trades call it, don't be it. I like that. I love that. Another Jack. Kung Fu Panda says hello. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, Kevin, so I'm safe regardless. It's just frustrating. Robert, I love that. Like I said, it is what it is. I think that's should just start being everyone's trading mantra. Yes, that's the right word. Yes. Oh, I looked, guys. Whenever I look, another Jack. Yeah, you're right. It's either gonna go crazy or it's gonna, well, either way, it's gonna go crazy. Which direction it goes crazy in is anyone's guess. Damn. Oh my gosh. And we are winning! Boom! Are you happy, chappy? I'm a happy chappy. Woo! Okay, guys, that was a little bit stressful. Okay, but now we still have to wait for Deadwolf. Deadwolf, how you doing? Thanks, Dead. Don't worry, I'm rooting for you. I'm watching where it is. Whoop whoop for everyone that was in that short. Deadwolf, we're waiting on you. Don't worry, we're waiting on you. However, I do think this is deserving of a Deadwolf special. I'm just saying. We all get to now have a bit of a jam session. Because we are whoop whooping all around. Whoop. How cool? That was such a nice trade. I mean, a little bit so close to TP and then it kind of reversing a little bit. That was a little bit stressful. Do you know what's so frustrating? If I had placed another trade, that would have been a win as well, but that is greedy. We don't do greedy, right? No. Thanks, Dark Angel. How's it looking? Anything promising for you, Dark Angel? Thanks, Knight. Yeah, sure. No! Sorry, MD Ronnie. And here we are celebrating. I'm so sorry. Oh, Knight. That is stressful. But yes, we are waiting. Oh, is it 0.5 for Wolf? Oh, wait, let me adjust this quickly. Where's the 0.5? There. Okay. This is Wolf's TP. We are now watching for it to hit Wolf's TP. Huh, interesting. Yeah, this is actually, so Deadwolf. You all know and love Deadwolf. Deadwolf kind of made that song. How cool. I love it. I think it's awesome. Thanks, Nax. Yeah. Thanks, Nax. That's not right. Thanks, Nox. Nick Snacks. I feel like that's actually fair. I'm gonna start calling you Nick Nax. Just because you call me mayonnaise. Anyways. Oh, you think so, Knight? You think at 400? Ooh, no, I'm getting too excited. Let's all be calm for Deadwolf, right? So I am gonna play that song again when Dead hits his TP. And you hear it's when, because it will. Hi Life, do I want some snacks? I really do. I'm so hungry today. But anyways, snacks sound amazing, but I'm good during the week. So my snack days are Friday. Well, yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm allowed to snack. But the other days, no. I try to be good. Try being the key word. Nope, I'm getting excited. Knick-knack and mayonnaise. Oh no, Nox. Disgusting. Gross. Hey, Deadwolf! Whoop whoop! Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I'm gonna play the song again. Sorry, you're gonna get annoyed with me, but we have to play the song again because Deadwolf has an amazing whoop whoop. Hell yeah! Let's go, Dead! Whoop whoop! Yeah, Wolfie! That was awesome! Deadwolf, are you chuffed? Oh. That would have sucked. Deadwolf, just for you. That is so cool. Well done. Hell yeah. Well, Bob didn't put a trade in today, right? MT trade in Nasdaq. Hey, from South Africa. How you doing? Right. Apple Butter, come join us on this NQ side of life. ES seems to be bullying you. Oh, 60 points, Wolf. Damn. Oh, nice, Mohammed. Okay, cool. Yes, we are all having a good green day today. most of us, majority, let's not say all, right? But we're having a good day. Oh, that's valid, apple butter. That's valid. Yeah, good day. A good day. And everyone says don't trade on these days. Well. And now that it's getting close at 400 area, now I'm a little bit nervous. Part of me really doesn't want to be greedy. Part of me wants to be like, that was a really good, decent trade for a FOMC day. Maybe I should just leave it at that with a win, but let's see. This actually looks like it may have been a really good trade. I didn't take it. Damn it. There we go. This could have been a goodie. Ah, man. Oh well. Oh well. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. I can't complain. Can't complain about having a win. I mean, I use ICT concepts, yes. Oh, thank you, Mohammed, right? Good energy, good trading, good vibes, let's go. Oh, damn, Knight, okay. You are ready and set to go. Dead Wolf, valid. Solly, no. I had no power. So, yeah. That's why I got literally kicked out. Power went out and I couldn't do anything. So... And literally I was even late for a New York session. I only arrived at like 10 to 4, which would have been like 10 to 10 if we're doing EST time. Ah, guys, why? What? Why did I not take that trade? Look at this. This would have been such a nice trade. I'm trying not to be greedy. I think that's it. Just don't be greedy, right? Greed is bad. It would have been so good. Oh my gosh. It's very much on this downward trend. If it comes back to full here, this looks good. A very small range, but let's see. Oh my gosh, this is a teeny tiny range. It comes back to fill the fair value gap. That could be decent. I'm just watching the volume. Okay. Again, I have mitigated risk because I'm not the biggest fan of the chop and stuff, but I do have the fair value gap. I have a little bit of an order block over there as well as protection. Also, if we look at the volume, the sell volume is a lot bigger than the buy volume. I have been trying to take note of the volume, by the way. Who was it? Presidian, I think it was you that mentioned the volume. But I'm giving this a go. If this works, I am done for the day. I will not place another trade. Not saying I'm not going to keep watching and forward testing. Oh, no. See, this is what happens when FOMO kicks in. I know. Thanks. Okay, nice. So interesting. Ooh, I'm not sure about 390. Knight is pretty sure it's going to go down to around 400. Thanks, Dark Angel. Chris Witcher, you're still waking up. Huh. Interesting. About 400 well, no. Randall. Okay. Let's see what it wants to do now. Oh, nice, Chef Trades. Okay. So you're calling it, you're not going to keep watching, you're out, you're going to go chill for the rest of the day. That's valid. And no, it's going to come and take me out just because I was being cocky. Yep, there we go. There it is. That was a bummer. Okay. Because I got FOMO. That's on me. Oh well. Like I said, I did mitigate the risk by quite a bit. No, it's fine. I really thought it would keep going down for the 400. That's why I thought this was a decent one. I mean, again, sorry, I don't know why I keep trying to pull this down to show you guys. If we have a look at the volume, this is not hectic. It's going to go down now. Now that it wicked me out, it's going to go down. Knox? Shush. But yes. Presidian, explain. It's okay, Dead Wolf. Apple butter, 100%. That's why, like I said, I did mitigate the risk. It is what it is. I'm not complaining. Arun, you think it took out London low ages ago? London low has been taken. Ooh, oh, Apple butter, you have a point there. There is quite a decent buy going on ES. Let's see, is this the shift? Did it just happen a little bit sooner than expected? Oh, thanks, Ollie. Oh, interesting, Presidian. Okay. Okay, Knight is still pushing hardcore for that 400 level. Let me make a little thing here at 400. Just for Knight. So if I'd stuck to this range, I would still be good. See, this is why forward testing is actually quite decent. To be fair, I did have that massive fair value gap. A little order block, but sometimes it just does not respect it. It looks like it's climbing for VWAP on ES. It's kind of what it looks like. I could be wrong. but maybe some news leaked out. Yeah, that's true. Oh, interesting. Brazilian, I must have a look at that. Hey, Michael, how you doing? Well, it's a whoop whoop and then a womp womp because awesome win and then a very quick annoying loss. Oh well. Damn. Okay, that's impressive. Okay, so you think it's gonna retrace to 450? Really? Interesting. Interesting. You think so, Night? Why? Just a feeling you have? Oh, cool. I see we now. Okay, well, you know what? Even if that was the last trade for me of the day, I'm still 1 hour up. So I'm still in the green for the day. I can't be upset about that. Let's see if it does get out of this chop, if it kind of decides what it wants to do. Maybe there will be another opportunity for another trade. Kind of just gonna have to wait and see with regards to that one though. Oh, interesting, Night. Okay. So I think that's it. This is like one of my first, so I'm just quickly checking something super quick. Super duper quick. There we go. Presidian, I have heard that a few times. To be fair. I have heard, if it gets close enough to your TP, just call it. Doesn't always have to be precise, right? I got my 400 level marked out here for Night. Night, let's see. Oh, Haroon, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. To be fair, I'm also not feeling 100%, but I took medicine. I'm feeling fine now. I'll be good. Ooh, okay, Night. I'm super curious to see. You don't think it's just gonna keep chopping until the news? Is that a possibility? Interesting. Okay. Ah, that's very interesting, Presidian. Hey, Mr. Brithen, how are you doing? So I had a 2-hour win here, and I had a very sad little loss here. I should have just left it at the win, in all honesty, but it's fine. It's because I then got super FOMO because, check, this one would have won. But I mean, I was in that trade, so I wouldn't have been able to place that. But literally directly after this win, this trade would have hit TP. I still think it might go down to that 400 level to just get Night in. Night? I'm hoping for you that it does. I think it will, though, right? It should. It should. Theoretically, it should. Okay, so Solly, you think it might keep going down if it breaks that? Really? Interesting. Okay. Do we think it's gonna keep up all of this stuff even after 11, or is 11 it's kind of gonna have a pause like it normally does? What do we think? Hey Mark, how you doing? Hey, I'm Vertex. Hey, how you doing? I remember, don't worry. How's it been going? How's the trading day? You're fine. Only fine? Why? What's up? Thanks, Nox. Yeah, I was looking, I was like, ugh. If I'd done this range, it would have been fine. Oh well, you know. Oh well. That's all I can say. It is what it is. Oh, okay, night. So do you just market buy then? Aw, I'm sorry, I'm Vertex. Yeah, that's not so fun. Guys, check. It's going. Oh well. 1 hour demands are at 400. Okay. Yeah, Jason the Hole. But to be fair, sometimes it's nice to be in and out, quick, done and dusted. Exactly, Nox. 100%, right? Like I keep saying, it's never a losing trade, it's just a trading lesson. Interesting night. I can't do that. Okay, Mr. Rithen, damn. Really? And Solly's in short. I have a fur baby. I have my dog and my horse. But no, I do not have kids, no. Apple butter. Oh, thank you. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind smashing that like button, thank you. That'll be awesome. Thanks. Mr. Rithen, waiting is key for big pro. No, you're right. Oh, sorry, Dark Angel. Well, listen, to be fair, Dark Angel, I also got some wounds over here, some battle wounds. But I'm sorry. Oh, I'm Vertex. That's interesting. I mean, it's quite a valuable life skill to have. Theoretically, if you think about all the benefits when it comes to patience, the psychological side of things, waiting for patterns, being, I've said patience already, but the discipline behind it. Yeah, it's not bad, actually. Thanks, Dark Angel, but you also, well done for taking the trade just because the market didn't listen to what you wanted. That's the market's fault. Hey, Abraham, how you doing? Exactly, Dark Angel. See? That is progress, just saying. Abraham, I'm good. I can't complain. No complaints for little old me. I'm waiting to see if it hits his 400 level. Now I'm a bit nervous to get in because now the volume's dried up quite significantly. Again, though, it's not the end of the world if this is me for the day, because I am still in the green, so I can't complain. Oh, nice. Well done. How long have you been streaming? Trader versus market precision. Smart. No, I kind of dig that. That'll be so funny. Hey, Junior Soccer Stars, how you doing? Abraham, yeah, like I said, it's been decent. Sorry, that was a scam. I only said a spam call. That's not right. It's a scam call. But yeah, it's been a decent week. I mean, Monday was break even. Yesterday was awesome. Yesterday was a no loss day. That was pretty cool. And today I am 1 win, 1 loss. So I am still 1 hour up for the day. So that's cool. Thanks, Doc Angel. Have an amazing midday. Yes, midday. No, Mula, no, I'm so sorry. I mean, to be fair, I went in for a short and it screwed me, but theoretically I took the wrong range, so yeah. That's where the discretion part comes in. Sometimes the smaller ranges aren't ideal and you have to just kind of stick with your gut that a bigger range is the better option. Okay, nice. So it'll either drop heavy or reverse at 400. I'm kind of curious to see what it does. Oh, you're 19. Oh my gosh, you're so young. Damn. Oh, Solly, ew. I'm joking. Break even's not bad. You can't complain about break even, right? Break even's better than nothing. Oh, Abraham, what? I'm sorry. What the heck? Aw, I'm sorry. How long have you been streaming for? Abraham, no, I'm so sorry. No, oh my gosh. I am so sorry. That's so frustrating. Okay, let's see. Okay, volume has appeared to have dried up a little bit. That's not great, but 400's a key level, right? That's a bad idea. I feel like it's a bad idea. Is it a bad idea? This might be a bad idea. Okay, I'm not going to, right? No, I'm not going to do it. Because I'm not going to do it, watch, it's going to be a winning trade. Yep. Not gonna do it. I think it's a little bit too risky around the area. However, I'm curious, like literally TP is on that 400. I'm curious to see if this would have been a win. Like I said, now it's just risk management. I had my awesome trade. I had my FOMO mistake Let's not make 2 mistakes in one day. That's... no. Learn from your mistakes, right? Thanks, Presidian. Have an amazing day. Thanks for hopping on. You were awesome. Thanks for teaching us a lot. Appreciate it. Hi, live. Shush. Shush. Ooh, apple butter. Okay. Okay. No, see? See, high life. I'm being good. Ooh, okay, nice and long. Let's see if this is it. Let's see if this is the push. Ooh, with a tight stop. Okay, damn. Where's your TP at night? Okay, Muller. Let's see. Let's see if we get something like decent, right? Okay, yeah, so that would have been a very quick stop out. So I'm glad I listened to myself with that one. See? Lesson learned. That's half of the point of trading, to learn from your mistakes and get over it, basically. Lack of a better word. Learn from your mistakes, get over it, and carry on. Ooh, okay. Night, amazing. Hey, Thomas K. Yeah, a little bit. Ooh, okay, Night, how's it looking for you? Are you at break even? Come again, Mark. TP24291. Are you in this trade right now? Okay, I'm gonna try. So is it just, oh my gosh, this is a lot. Is it just showing you structure? Basically, right? Mr. Rithen? Ah, Mula, noise. Hey Wesley, how you doing? My dumbass kitty brain was like choo choo, but no, that's not what it is. Huh. So it basically marks out all the liquidity points, all the equal highs. The structure shows you everything, essentially, right? That basically it. Oh, apple butter! Moving it to break even. Look at you go. Thomas K, do I use session liquidity? Yes. Ooh, night! Amazing. Apple butter, you're worried about VWAP. Where's your TP at, apple butter? Yeah, Mr. Risten, I'm gonna keep this. Gonna keep it in favorites, but I am gonna hide it for now just because it's a lot. But that's very interesting. Thank you for showing me that. It is very helpful for new traders that don't know what to be looking for. Thank you. Apple butter, I think if it starts pushing now, there might be a little bit of a retracement when it hits VWAP, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna keep pushing now. Hey Hamid, how you doing? Ooh, nice, Thomas. Okay. Amazing. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. That's an amazing trade. Well done. There we go. Right, Nox? It's really cool. Like I said, thanks, Mr. Ritten. It's awesome. It's gonna go high of the day or near VWAP on NQ. Okay. Yeah, okay. You're holding this until FOMC. Damn, Ola. You brave, hey? I obviously wouldn't have taken this, but that would have also been way too close. There's gonna be a little bit of a retracement now. Probably. It is near VWAP. Sorry guys, I'm saying it's near VWAP on ES, just before I confuse people. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Come say hi. Okay, he doesn't want to say hi, sorry guys. But he's chilling here. What? Really? What? Let's see, apple butter. Solly. Everyone's in a long. If it drops, we're cooked. Valid. Well, I mean, I'm not in a long. Just saying. I'm not cooked. I already got cooked earlier. Night. No. But out of curiosity, who is? I'm not. Personally, no thanks. But yeah, anyone? Anyone? Anyone else gonna gamble on FOMC today? Apple butter, I think you're good, hey? Let's see. Mola, you say that. Just because you have said that. Just because you have said that. Just because you have said that. Watch. No, I'm joking. Well, I'm hoping for everyone's sake that I'm joking. I've come to the conclusion that markets think it's really funny to do the opposite of what we say. I know they can't hear us, and we are so small and insignificant in the bigger picture, but I really believe sometimes they do this because they think it's funny. Wesley, same? You can ask Apple Butter. It's the first thing I said when they joined. I was like, apple butter, jeans, boots, and yeah. Mark, I disagree with that, but okay. Thomas K, your entry is 50425. Oh, okay. Damn! Okay, Thomas, look at you go. Oh, nice, Jason Hall. That's valid, Muller. No, you carry on not doubting. You continue, you've got this. I don't know. If it is, I'm sorry. Is this a fake out? No, I'm sure you guys are fine. I think this is just a retracement. It's gonna take this little bit of liquidity here and it's gonna keep going up. Oh, really, Solly? Hey, Daytrader, how you doing? Oh, right. Right, it's gonna be entertaining. Let's see what happens. Okay. I'm just keeping my fingers and toes crossed for everyone. Ooh. Well, hello, Ankit's girlfriend. Welcome. It's fun. Like, I never thought I'd be one to say that because I literally knew nothing about trading. I was very meh about it beginning of this year, and here I am, and I love this. Like, I wasn't able to trade earlier today. I was a very salty, moody Maya, can I just say. Terator, I'm with the micro, sorry. Woo, I nearly lied there. I'm with the micro, so MNQ. Thomas could be a bearish 6-tap model. Okay. Could this just be it being completely unpredictable because of FOMC today? Apple butter, you're out. I'm sorry. Mullah, okay, so you're still in it. Solly, I feel like you jinxed everyone. Just saying. Just saying. If anyone wants to attack someone, it's Solly. I mean, no, don't, no. I'm completely messing with you, but... Oh my gosh. Well done, Knight. Oh, guys, this would have been a loss. As well, that would have sucked. You're about to hit another break-even trade. Nice. Hi, Live. I'm so sorry. Damn, make me feel really bad. I was joking. Normally, Boom Banana's here for me to bully, and he's not here right now. And to be fair, it's normally me jinxing things, so... It feels good to not be the person jinxing things for once. I'm sorry. You are correct, High Life. That's on me. Apparently, I need to go sit in the naughty quarter for like 5 minutes because that's Solly. I'm very, very sorry for being a cyberbully. You did not do anything wrong. Holy cow, Mark. That is very massive. That is a massive stop loss. Apple Butter, what were you saying about this might be a good place to short? Hi, that was brave to accept. I know I am anything but... I know my flaws, okay? I know my flaws. Oh, okay, good, Solly. I'm so sorry. I do feel bad now because High Life called me out properly. I'm so sorry. There's only one person I'm allowed to bully. I think I just got overexcited. Right, Apple Butter? Anyways. Ooh, interesting. Okay. So a big candle flush, very quick. Oh, interesting. Okay. Knight, that's very interesting. Thank you. Thanks for that insight. It makes a lot of sense. Mula, I'm so sorry. It's okay. We can be sad together. Yeah. Hey, Welsh Dragon, how you doing? Ooh, nice, very good. Yeah, I've had a win and a loss. Right, Solly? 440 would have been a beautiful sell. But couldn't have predicted it doing that. It's doing what it did last week, Monday and Tuesday. So I'm very much not even gonna touch this with a 10-foot pole. Because last week, Monday and Tuesday was when I then started doubting everything. It was a disaster. So I'm not gonna do this, or else I'm gonna start doubting things completely, because it's doing that thing where it just goes all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. It's basically chopping on a higher time frame, but in the 1 minute, it's just creating issues. Welsh Dragon, exactly. Oh, thanks, Welsh Dragon. Yeah. Like I said, a little bit of a bummer about this, because I was this close to being cocky, but no, I mean, there's still tomorrow and Friday. I was this close to being cocky and saying, oh, I haven't had a loss this week. Then what did I do? Oh, sorry, this week? Oh, okay. Sorry, Mula. Listen, been there way too often. Way too often. Not fun. I'm low-key curious about what it's gonna do now. Oh, interesting night. Okay. If you made your money today, run. Why? Do you think tomorrow and Friday is going to be bad? You're making me nervous, Solly. What? Why? What's happening? Is it just because of FOMC? Hey Envy, how you doing? Yeah, I can't I mean, I'm gonna complain a little bit because I wasn't able to get trades in this morning because my power went out. And then I was late to the stream because the power was still out. Literally, it came on at just after 3:30. So I was able to quickly hop on the charts at around 10 to 4. So that was a bit annoying, but I managed to get one win in and unfortunately a loss. But yeah, I can't complain. I mean, it still means I'm green for the day. How about you, Envy? How's it looking for you? Okay. Oh, nice. You think so? You think next week's gonna be clean? Okay, interesting. Okay, sorry. So it's just the FOMC. You think it's just gonna be funny, which kind of sucks. I would expect after the news for the charts to kind of clear up, if you will. Thomas K, I'm gonna have a look at that. Thank you. I appreciate that. You're so sweet. Okay. Oh, flip. You're very, very funny. Cool. Give me 2 seconds, guys. No, why? Okay, never mind. Wait, I'm good. Moving on. Envy, I have no idea. I don't think so. It just went out. I mean, it was out for nearly half the day. I mean, what time did it go out this morning? I wasn't even on for half an hour. No, yeah. So let's say it went out at around 10 and it only came back on at like 3:30. That's ridiculous. Ooh, nice. Okay, Diamante, so you're still waiting. How do I block Romano? Because I did not find him there. I'm trying to find him on the other... Nox, if he's on yours, go for it. Have fun. Thomas K, once you break zone... Thomas K, interesting, thank you. Full port news. No thanks, NFJ. No. Right. Oh, well done, Envy. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Sorry, I'm a little bit slow to the party. I got distracted. That's amazing. Well done. That is so cool. Hey, Southwest Carp Hunter, how you doing? And I'm staying on a little bit later, but I did come join the party a little bit later, so I can sit around and chat for a little bit with you guys. Apple butter, nothing much to be fair. I think it's just gonna go a little bit up and down for now. Mark thinks it's gonna start pumping now. But otherwise, that's it. And Southwest Carp Hunter just said happy FOMC day. But yeah, now, let's see. I'm gonna I'll probably stick around until, well, 5:45 my time. What would that be for you guys? 10:45? No? Did I completely butcher that? I did butcher that. 11:45, that's it. Okay. But at least it's bad. Did I show my... Well, I use again, but of course again, no problem. So let's just draw it from this range for funsies. And there we go. So I use a GAN box. I don't think there's much of a difference, to be very honest, but anyways. Oh, thanks for the sub. 1:45 a.m. for you, Solly. And 9:06 p.m. for you, Mr. Rithen. Are you guys not tired? Oh my gosh. But I guess you are welcome, Spad. But I mean, yo, are you guys not tired? 1:45 a.m. That's crazy. That is absolutely insane. Also the 9:06 p.m. Like, I'm in bed by that time. I must say, personally, living in South Africa with regards to the trading is awesome because everything kind of happens during the day. So I don't have to wake up at midnight to hop on to the New York session, or I don't have to stay up extra late. It kind of happens in the day. It's so nice. Sorry, I know that sounded a bit like a brag. Apologies, it did not mean to come across that way. Apple butter, 9:39 a.m. there. Nice. Okay, that's not bad. So then when you're done here, do you just chill the rest of the day, apple butter? Oh my gosh, night. Yeah. Abraham, this is the 1 minute. Yeah, this is the 1 minute time frame on the MNQ. Really, Solly? Spad? No, I'm not. I'm probably gonna call it here for the day and hop back on tomorrow and see what the heck FOMC did. And you guys have to hop back on tomorrow and tell me what it did for you guys, because I'm super curious. My zones TP is the full TP for the 6 top. Interesting. Interesting, Thomas K. I mean, to be fair, this wouldn't have tagged me in, which would have been annoying, but... Veda FX? So you think FOMC is just gonna skyrocket? Okay. Solly, Australia. Solly, were you born in Australia? Do you have a proper Australian accent? Out of curiosity. Mr. Rithen, are you asking if this is my first job? Hey, Fireball, how you doing? Aw, thank you guys. Yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind liking the stream before you leave, that would be amazing. Thank you. Okay, Knight, I'm gonna bear that in mind. You think it's gonna hit... Did you mistype? Did you say 25,600? Do you not mean 24,600? That's a good point. Where's Curix? Wait, I don't know if he's trading today because of FOMC, so he might not... Oh, guys, check. If this one had tapped me in, this would have been a win. Oh well. Nice, Solly. Nice. Thomas K, yeah. Well done. Just going down and down and down. Aw, thanks, catch up. Enjoy your day, morning, evening, depending on where you are at. 2 more minutes and then I might call it there, guys. So on that note, I'm gonna let's hop on here. Yeah, so that's basically, yeah, sorry guys, nothing super duper. Well, I say that I had a win and a loss. Unfortunately, I was just late to the party, which was kind of sucky. Bring German glory back. Interesting name, but yes, I trade on a live stream every single day, both New York and London sessions. Oh, nice, you got in 400 reversal. Hey, it did tap the 400. Nice, okay. Solly, I do agree. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see, guys. But like I said, I'm probably gonna call it there because I'm gonna get FOMO again. I'm gonna be tempted to trade, and I'm done for the day. Right? Let's not be a silly goose, for lack of a better word. I know that was very lame, but we're going with it. Aw, thanks, Apple Butter. You are amazing. Jack Sparrow, no, I'm just about to leave. Why are you hopping on now? How many markets am I analyzing? Only one, and I have ES open. Wait, let me hop back this side so you can see. So I have only futures, but I have ES open on the side here to help me out. Ooh, interesting, Thomas. Jason the Hold, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Don't worry, Jack Sparrow. I'm basically, I'm done, actually. I'm done for the day. I did have one win and one loss, but it does mean I am in the green for the day. I'm up an R for the day. Unfortunately, I could have probably had some more trades in, but the power went out earlier. You know, fun of living in South Africa, right? But it's okay. But Jack Sparrow, hopefully I will see you. Well, to be fair, hopefully I will see most of you guys tomorrow if the power works in my favor. I'm going to be super curious to look back and see what the FOMC did. I'm super curious to see. I'm going to be seeing if it hit any of your targets. Oh, okay. Yeah, Envy, that's exactly, it's at 8 p.m. for me. It's way too late. It's okay. It's okay. I won't wait that long. But I hope you guys have an amazing morning, midday, evening, depending on where you guys are. You guys were the best. It was such a fun stream today. Thank you. I know it was not much going on, but you guys always make it so much fun, and I always learn so much from you. So yes, I love you guys madly. Hopefully see you on London stream or New York stream, depending on where you guys are. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you then tomorrow. Yeah? Good luck for the ones that are trading FOMC. Just saying. Good luck. But I love you guys madly. Bye!